Here we have a Monstera Deliciosa being overrun by jungle weeds. I've already cleared out a lot of the oak tree limbs that were hiding the sun. This Monstera is a beautiful specimen plant. I want to be able to see the whole thing. I'll chop and drop all around it, trying to avoid the really good plants. I have a lot of katuk, so this one's okay to cut. Throw that in there for chop and drop. Okay, let's see what we have here. It looks like we're getting a couple fruit. I'll do a close-up. Okay, time for a close-up of the fruit and some of the other plants right in this area. There's the Monstera. Much more sun. Look at that. 2 fruits. It's going to be fantastic. And right in the vicinity, there's shampoo ginger. Just starting to turn red a little bit. Several turmeric plants. Not flowering yet. There's another shampoo ginger. Lots of turmeric. Some more ginger. I'm not sure what variety that is. This one's really turning red. Beautiful.